Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Bluetooth connectivity issues on iOS 26. Okay, so first thing is making sure that Bluetooth is actually turned on, and make sure that also the second device that you want to pair with the iPhone is also in the pairing mode. Because, for example, when you are connecting your iPhone into, for example, your pods, maybe not the AirPods, but any other device, the second device needs to be in the pairing mode to connect for the first time with your iPhone. So you just need to check it. If it has the pairing mode, simply try enabling it and then connect. Next thing is toggling the Bluetooth and now the airplane mode for 1 second. Turn off the Bluetooth, my bad. Turn off the Bluetooth, enable the airplane mode for a few seconds. We can wait like, I don't know, 10 seconds, something like that. And now you can turn it off. Now you can turn on the Bluetooth and now try to connect. When you are connected with some device, you can go into the Bluetooth settings and when you have your device that you are connected to, you can click on the information button. That's the eye icon and next to your device. Then click on that icon and simply click on forget this device. Once you have done it, you will have to connect it once again and then try to pair. But before pairing in this method, restart the second device and also restart your iPhone. To restart the iPhone, you need to click the volume up, then volume down, and then you need to start holding the power button until the Apple logo appears. When it appears, you can release your finger and then simply wait until the phone turns on. Next thing is resetting Bluetooth cache. To do it, we need to go back, scroll down, find the general, scroll all the way down, click on the transfer, now tap reset, and now we need to reset network settings. Don't worry, it doesn't delete any of your data, so you can be calm about it. Nothing will happen to your data. Everything will be fine. This basically clears Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and VPN settings. And remember that if you click on that, you will also need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password, because the Wi-Fi will be disconnected and you will need to type the password to your Wi-Fi once again to connect it. So have that in mind. So we can reset network settings right in here. Next thing is the reset of all settings, but not the factory reset. So again, we won't lose any of our data. To do it, simply click on reset and click on reset all settings. This will simply reset system preferences, but it will keep our data and files untouched, so nothing will go wrong. So we can try this. And the last thing is simply checking out from time to time. Did Apple gave us another software update? Because there is a chance that in those situations when a lot of people have this common bugs, for example, the Bluetooth doesn't want to connect. We have those issues. They might want to give a new update to us, and then simply wait for the update. And when you have the possibility to download it, simply do this ASAP. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.